Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I really want to apologise. I am getting over being ill, so my voice is still a little bit croaky. But what I wanted to actually show you today was how creating a basic loop can now start really transforming your pieces of jewellery from just like sticking things together to really creating nice, beautiful designs. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a really beautiful pair of elegant pearl earrings. It's very simple, and the only technique you need to know is how to create a basic loop, which I'll show you now. The materials we're going to need are 4 pearls, 2 crystal spacers, 2 earring hooks, 2 head pins, and the only tools you're going to need are your round nose pliers and your flush cutters. So let's begin. Starting with the head pin, we're just going to thread on 1 pearl, then a crystal, and then a second pearl, and that creates the basic earring that we're going to make today. From here we need to create the basic loop. So it's a technique that you need to know in jewellery making. It's what holds everything together. You can hold beads to beads, like earring dangles like this to earring hooks. And it's such a basic technique, but it's a very, very important one. So to start with this, you're just going to hold the pearls and the crystals in your left hand, and using your right hand, take the top of the head pin and bend it at a 90-degree angle. And then measure from the pearl across about 1 centimetre and use your flush cutters just to cut the excess off. Make sure you hold it as I am, so that the end just doesn't fly away. And this is what you're left with. So from here we're going to take the round nose pliers and hold the head pin at the very end, and you want to make sure you grab it nice and firmly so that it doesn't stick through on the other side. Hold the crystals again in your left hand, and you're going to bend the head pin back on itself. Loosen your grip and turn your hand and place the pliers back into the little hoop that you've made, and continue to roll it. And then that's how you create the basic loop. And then all we do from here is we take this side that's open and pull it towards us. Thread on an earring hook, and then taking the round nose pliers again, we close this hole back up. And there's your earring. Very quick, very simple, very easy, and it's all because of this basic loop, and you can create so many different things with it. Let me just show you this loop one more time. So here's the other earring here. So we're going to hold the crystals and the pearl in our left hand. Using our right hand, hold the top of the head pin and pull it across at a 90-degree angle. Measure from the pearl about 1 centimetre across, and then use the flush cutters to cut that away. Keep the end. Use your round nose pliers, hold it in the very end. Make sure it's nice and tight, it's not sticking through. Hold your crystals again in your left hand and bend the head pin back on itself. Loosen your grip, rotate your hand, place it back in, and continue to bend it over. And there's your basic loop. So then we open it up again by pulling this towards us. Thread on an earring hook and close the gap. And there you have it. There's your finished earring. And it's such a beautiful, delicate design. You can create these in different colours like I have, and you can even change out the pearls and use different beads if you would like to. So with this one I've even used pink crystals. So I really do love this. I think they just sparkle so much when they glisten in the light. I'd love to see what you create. Have fun! Thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. If there's any other techniques that you want me to show you how to learn or how to do it maybe in a different way, then let me know in the comments below. And if you really have enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you.